Good morning, boys and girls. Today is Monday, April 27th, and it is the start of Rainbow Week. So we're going to be doing lots of fun things with rainbows, okay? And also, today, the craft we're going to make is a rainbow caterpillar. And I have a big fuzzy caterpillar right here on my lap. Look, caterpillar, say hello. And remember our friends that we met yesterday? Our 5 hungry caterpillars? Well, we're doing a rainbow caterpillar in their honor. Okay, so let's look at first the word caterpillar. This is the word caterpillar, okay? It's a long word. It starts with the letter C for caterpillar, okay? And I have here, besides my friend here on my lap, I have one of your best friends, the hungry caterpillar. Okay, and before we go paint, let's just look at some of the parts of the caterpillar, okay? First of all, a caterpillar has a long body. They're different sizes, some are little, some are bigger. They have soft bodies, caterpillars, and something you'll notice that they have, caterpillars have 6 legs. We have 2 legs. They have 6 legs, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 legs. That's a lot. And then if you look at a real caterpillar, like our little guys in here, it looks like they have a lot more than 6 legs, but that they have these little, looks like little legs on the back part of them, but they're not legs. They're like little hooks that just help them hold on to the tree branches and the leaves. But caterpillar has six legs. Okay, what else do you notice about my caterpillar here? What are those things? Look, this caterpillar has them, and this caterpillar has them. They're called antennae. There are 2 of them, 2 antennae, okay? And believe it or not, do you know what these antennas do for a caterpillar? They help him find his food. They help the caterpillar find his food. Now, some caterpillars have little tiny hairs also on their body, okay? Our caterpillars, our friends here, that we met yesterday, if you look real closely, which you could see on the picture that Miss Ori put up on Dojo, they have little hairs there, okay? Now, we learned yesterday that a caterpillar does 2 things, eats and rests, and eats and rests. Caterpillar eats tons, and they eat leaves, right? We said that they eat leaves. Okay, so here's what we're going to do right now. We're going to move to the table, and we're going to make our rainbow caterpillar. Miss Laura's going to show you a few different ways you can make your rainbow caterpillar. Okay, so everyone's going to come on to the table, except for this caterpillar. This caterpillar's not coming to the table. Can you say goodbye, caterpillar? Can you say goodbye? Okay, can you say goodbye? Okay, let's go to the table and paint. All right, come on. Come on, guys. Hi, caterpillar. Whoops. Okay, you got the hungry caterpillar's going to sit here. Okay, so here's how we could do our caterpillar. We're going to make a rainbow caterpillar. So Miss Lori has paint laid out here, and it's in the order of the rainbow. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. Okay, what we're going to do, we're going to make the caterpillar's body. I don't need that sheet yet. Put that there. Okay. I'm going to move my stuff so you could see better. And what we're going to do, I am going to make my caterpillar's body with water balloons. Now, if you have balloons at home, great, guys. If you don't, I'm going to show you another way to make the body. But first, I'm going to show you with the water balloon. What you do is you take your water balloon, hold it up here at the top, and then you dip it in the paint. Okay, just like that. And then you make one part of the body. I'm going to do the red. And you just mush it on. See? Then let's do the orange. Here it goes. Okay. It's the orange body, part of the body. And what's next? Red, orange, yellow. Yellow. Now, when caterpillars walk, they walk like in a wiggly motion. Okay, so I'm going to make my caterpillar look like a little wiggly. All right, what comes after red, orange, yellow, green in my rainbow? Okay, and see how cool it looks with the water balloon? It like gives it a different kind of look. Okay, Miss Lori's got to dip to clean this one off. No, it didn't make enough water balloons, sorry. Okay, so you just clean it up. All right, and now I'm going to do blue. And then I'm going to do purple. Okay, here comes the purple. It's pretty purple. Now, there's my caterpillar rainbow body. He still needs a little head. Okay, so you could draw the head with a crayon or a marker, or you could take a circle that's maybe a little smaller and make the head. You could even take your finger. I'm going to use my finger, and I'm going to make his head. Let's give him a purple head. Okay, make his head a little bit smaller. There's his head. Now, remember those two things that are on top of the caterpillar's head? These guys? Remember what they were called? Antenna. That's right. So we need to give him antenna. You could make them with your finger, or you could take pipe cleaners if you have those at home, or little pieces of paper, and you could just glue them on. Okay? And I'll show you quick how I'm going to glue mine on. This glue is always a problem. Okay, I'm going to glue them on. And now he has two antennae. What's missing on my caterpillar? Do you remember? His legs, 6 legs, okay? Now again, you could use, Miss Lori has pipe cleaners that I cut, and you could put little pipe cleaner legs. You could draw your legs on, however you want to do it. And then you could give him eyes. Okay, now we're going to give our caterpillar his eyes there. Off my finger. Okay, there we go. And there are his eyes. Now, I'm going to tell you something, boys and girls, a really fun fact. When we look at pictures of caterpillars, he always has 2 eyes, but real caterpillars, like our friends in the little jar, guess how many eyes they have? 12. Isn't that crazy? They have 6 eyes on this part of their face and 6 eyes on this part of their face, and they're really tiny, but 6 and 6, and that's 12 altogether. Isn't that crazy? Okay. All right. Now, I want to show you one thing. So that's how you make your rainbow caterpillar if you want to use the water balloons. If you don't have water balloons in the house, you and mommy and daddy could look around, and moms and dads, it's a good idea if you find like lids of something, tops to something that the kids could hold and dip in the paint. This is the top to a like hairspray. This is a top to a mouthwash jar. Okay, this is a top to shaving cream, and it's same idea. You just dip it in and make your bodies, okay? Dip it in. We're not going to do the whole rainbow body again. Okay, you see? And you're going to get the same effect as with the water balloons, the round circle body, and do it in the pattern of the rainbow. So we have our rainbow caterpillar. And boys and girls, what you could do when he's all done, you could cut him out. And remember the names we gave our caterpillars yesterday? You could pick the name you want, and you could have mommy or daddy write the name of the caterpillar and take a picture of it and put it on our dojo board so everybody could see your rainbow caterpillar. And that's it for that's our rainbow craft for today. I'll see you a little later. Miss Lori's going to do a fun rainbow experiment. So I'll see you guys later. Okay, bye.